Apolipoprotein M, Apom, and Age-Related Macular Degeneration, AMD, by AZLAN ADNAN, MA. Saturday, 15th of November 2025. And introduction. Apolipoprotein M, Apom, is gaining attention in eye health research for its possible role in age-related macular degeneration, AMD. A 2025 study conducted by researchers at Washington University School of Medicine in St. Louis found that AMD patients have significantly lower circulating Apom levels than age-matched controls. This suggests a potential link between Apom deficiency and retinal degeneration. Study details: where, when, and by whom. The research was published in Nature Communications on the 24th of June 2025 under the title Apolipoprotein M attenuates age-related macular degeneration phenotypes via sphingosine 1-phosphate signaling and lysosomal lipid catabolism. It was led by Tae Jun Lee, Rajendra S. Apte, Ali Javaheri, and collaborators at Washington University School of Medicine in St. Louis, with international partners contributing to the mechanistic analyses. What is Apolipoprotein M, Apom? Apom is a small protein bound mainly to high-density lipoprotein, HDL particles in human blood. It carries sphingosine 1-phosphate, S1P, a signaling molecule that regulates inflammation, lipid metabolism, and cell survival. In the retina, S1P helps maintain the health of photoreceptors and retinal pigment epithelium, RPE. Lower Apom means reduced S1P transport, which may weaken the retina's ability to handle oxidative stress and inflammation, two core drivers of AMD. Details of the 2025 AMD study. The 2025 research compared serum Apom levels among AMD patients and age-matched controls. Participants with AMD consistently showed lower Apom concentrations, with the greatest deficit in those with intermediate and advanced disease. The study also examined retinal tissue markers. Cells exposed to reduced Apom signaling demonstrated higher oxidative stress loads and impaired mitochondrial handling, mechanisms directly implicated in AMD progression. These findings suggest that Apom may act as a protective retinal factor, and that its deficiency could accelerate degenerative pathways within the macula. Can diet or lifestyle raise Apom levels? At present, no food, supplement, or lifestyle intervention has been proven to raise Apom levels in humans. Apom expression is genetically regulated in the liver and kidneys, not directly modified by dietary intake. General metabolic health may support overall lipoprotein function, but nothing is known to specifically elevate Apom in a clinically meaningful way. Because of this, dietary strategies cannot currently be recommended as a method to modify Apom for AMD prevention. Therapeutic potential. What is and isn't proven? The idea of increasing Apom as a treatment for AMD remains unproven in humans. The evidence so far is preclinical, based on lab models showing that restoring Apom or Apom S1P signaling reduces retinal inflammation and cellular damage. Human trials have not yet begun. Before any therapeutic claim is justified, researchers need to confirm that manipulating Apom is safe and effective in living patients. Ongoing preclinical work. Scientists are exploring Apom mimetic compounds that reproduce Apom S1P signaling in retinal cells. Other groups are testing strategies to increase local S1P availability or enhance lysosomal lipid catabolism in RPE cells. Gene regulation studies are also underway to understand whether Apom signaling could serve as a biomarker for AMD risk or progression. The research direction is exciting, but the path from lab findings to clinical treatment remains long. For now, Apom serves as a valuable clue, not yet a cure.
An invitation, International Day of Persons with Disabilities, Wednesday, 3rd December 2025, 1200 to 14:30 hours. Venue, MAB Canteen, Malaysian Association for the Blind, MAB Complex. Address, Jalan Tebing, off Jalan Tun Sambanthan, 4 Brickfields, 50470 Kuala Lumpur. To commemorate the International Day of Persons with Disabilities this year, I am hosting an informal roundtable luncheon to discuss universal design. Panelists will include my friends with various disabilities, including vision impairment, physical disability, and hearing impairment, as well as my architect and lawyer friends. This informal discussion on universal design will be of interest to architects, town planners, civil engineers, quantity surveyors, advocates for accessibility and inclusivity, persons with disabilities, PWD, as well as caregivers and students of architecture and design. For a totally immersive experience, all sighted persons will be blindfolded throughout the event. Lunch will consist of a whole food, plant-based WFPB menu curated by me. This event is also open to members of the public. Attendance is by donation for able-bodied and sighted persons. Hopefully, your contribution will cover the cost of your lunch, as well as that of a PWD. Seating is limited, and at the moment there are 15 places left. To confirm your attendance, please make your voluntary contribution by scanning the QR code. If you are unable to attend but wish to support this event, feel free to make a small donation, not more than 5% of your monthly income. Any excess funds will go towards ongoing treatments to restore my vision. We will have a fruitful and meaningful discussion that will raise awareness of the need for universal design for PWD. Universal design. For background information on universal design, I have made several videos. Links are in the video description below. AZLAN ADNAN MA, VIP founder, Green Party of Malaysia.
International Day of Persons with Disabilities, Wednesday, 3rd of December 2025. Every year, 3rd of December is officially recognized by the United Nations as the International Day of Persons with Disabilities. It has been observed globally since its proclamation in 1992 under UN General Assembly Resolution 47-3. The day promotes understanding of disability issues, supports the dignity, rights, and well-being of persons with disabilities, and raises awareness of the importance of inclusion in all spheres of life: political, social, economic, and cultural.
forget to hit that subscribe button to show your support. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to show your support.